Hello, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today's recipe is Akuri. It's a Parsi style egg dish. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's have a look at the ingredients required. I've got the eggs ready in here in this bowl. I've got some chopped coriander leaves, chopped onion, chopped green chilies, grated ginger, chopped tomato, a little bit of milk, cumin seeds, salt to taste, red chilli powder and turmeric powder. We'll be using ghee to make this egg in. You can use ghee, or if you don't like the flavor of ghee, you can use butter. So let's move on. I've taken a pan, kept it on medium flame, added the ghee to it, and the ghee is nice and hot now. Let's add in the cumin seeds. We'll allow the cumin seeds to splutter. So the cumins have spluttered and browned. Now let's add in the finely chopped onions. We'll cook the onions until it's golden brown in color. So the onions have started turning golden brown in color. At this stage we'll add in the ginger and green chilies along with the tomatoes. Now we'll cook the tomatoes until they are soft. That's going to take a few minutes. So the tomatoes have softened. We'll just bring the temperature down and add in the turmeric, red chilli powder and salt to taste. Mix it and cook it for a minute. So the masalas have cooked for a minute. I've brought the flame back to medium and now we'll pour in the eggs. So as you pour the eggs, you have to keep mixing so that it scrambles well. Now keep mixing until the eggs get scrambled. Make sure the flame is on medium and not on high, because if you keep it on high, you will make the eggs dry. We don't want the eggs to dry up. It has to be of a creamy texture. So just keep mixing until the eggs come together and is scrambled. So now you can see the eggs have almost scrambled. At this stage, we'll add some milk to this. This will make it more creamy. Now we'll just mix the eggs with the milk and cook it up. Just keep clearing the pan. Again, make sure the fire is on medium and not high. The milk is also evaporated and the egg is nice and creamy. At this stage, we'll switch off the fire. Mix well and we'll just garnish it with some finely chopped coriander leaves. So that's Akoori ready for you. You can use this for breakfast along with some toasted bread or use it as a side dish for rotis. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.